Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we translate corporate mumbo jumbo into plain English. Today we're diving into a report from ServisFirst bank shares, and let me tell you, the numbers might make your head spin faster than a bank teller counting cash, but we'll make sense of it together. Scroll securities and exchange Commerzbank KC 2549 scroll. We're checking out an 8K filing from ServisFirst bank shares. Think of an 8K as a company's breaking news report to the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This one was filed in March 2025, so it's fairly recent. ServisFirst Bank Shares Inc. is the official name. They're based in Birmingham, Alabama, and operate with the trading symbol SFBS on the New York Stock Exchange. The company has its common stock registered on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol SFBS, which allows people to buy and sell shares in the company. This report is about sharing some updated information with investors. They've refreshed their investor presentation with the latest financial figures and other details. Think of it like a company giving its sales pitch an upgrade. This new presentation might be used when talking with investors. The document itself is also available on their website. One of the exhibits included with the report is the updated investor presentation. We're going to check that out to see if we can understand the story they are trying to tell. Okay, let's dive into this investor presentation. Remember, presentations like these are crafted to put the company in the best possible light. We'll need to read between the lines. The company's total assets stand at 20 billion. That's a lot of money. Total assets represent everything the company owns. Total deposits are at 17.4 billion. Deposits are basically the money that customers have entrusted to the bank. Total loans amount to 14.7 billion. Loans are the money the bank has lent out to customers and businesses. The more loans a bank has, the more income they are likely to generate. But they also need to be careful with risk because the loans might not get paid back. Net income, which is their profit after all expenses, is reported at 46.7 million. This is an important number because it shows how profitable the company is. Investors really focus on that. This is a super important metric for banks. Their net interest margin, or NIM, is 2.61%. IM tells you how profitable a bank's lending activities are. Basically, it is the difference between the interest they earn on loans and the interest they pay on deposits, shown as a percentage. A higher NIM generally means more profit. It's considered a pretty healthy margin. Their presentation emphasizes credit quality is stable. Banks want to assure investors that the loans they've given out are likely to be repaid. They want people to feel good that things are solid, that they won't suddenly see a bunch of loans go bad. The presentation also focuses on the geographic areas where the bank operates. ServisFirst has a strong presence in Alabama, but they're also expanding into other markets. They mention offices in places such as the Carolinas, Florida, and Tennessee. It seems like they are looking to grow their reach beyond their original home base. They talk about their experienced leadership. Companies want to emphasize that they have capable people at the helm. It can give investors more confidence in the company's direction. Okay, now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. Based on what ServisFirst is sharing in this presentation, the company appears to be in pretty good shape. The total assets are strong and they are growing their area of operations. They are making a decent profit and have their risks under control. One potential risk is their expansion strategy. Growing too quickly can stretch a company thin and lead to problems if not managed well. They have to be careful to maintain their credit quality as they move into new markets. Another key thing to keep an eye on is interest rates. The net interest margin, which we talked about earlier, is sensitive to changes in interest rates. If rates rise or fall dramatically, it could impact their profitability. It's important to remember that investor presentations are designed to highlight the positive aspects of a company. It's our job to look closely and ask the right questions. Overall, ServisFirst seems to be performing well. They are profitable, growing, and have experienced leadership. However, investors should keep an eye on their expansion strategy and the impact of interest rates on their net interest margin. Thanks for watching. If you found this decoder ring helpful, please smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Until next time.